Yeah, good day YouTube. It's me, Jen the Bomb, and I'm up here at Jurong Lake today. It's been a while since I've been to Jurong Lake. Seems like they're building some stuff on the opposite side of the MRT tracks. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it looks like a pretty massive project. Okay. One piece only ah? Two ah? I'm serious, I don't really want this. Totally useless lure. Yes, fish on. Good karma, I guess. There we go. First fish of today on the small little Aliexpress Rubber. I hit Peacock bass. Gonna bring this home and tapao. JK. Oh, sorry, bro. Woo! Oh, yeah. Okay. So on the blackish small little rubber, small peacock bass for the day. I'll take a quick selfie and let this guy go. Okay, I'll let this guy go. Now my hand smells like fish. Alright, so I decided to change location. It was drizzling and the fish weren't biting, so I've moved on to this place, which is very near Jurong Lake, but nearer to a certain mall in that area. So just Google Maps it, you guys will know where it is. And I've been here only like once a long time ago, and I caught like one small peacock bass, and hoping to see if there's any other fish in there. So let's head over. Fish on! Ah shit, lost it. Oh, still on, still on. Okay, what is this fish? Oh, foul hook. Damn. Sorry, bruh. Gotta release it. Oh, right through the head. You could say this is mental. Bye bye. Fish on, yes. Another tilapia. Oh, that's quite big, eh? Fat tilapia. Oh, pretty tilapia. Oh. This man, fat tilapia. This one has really nice colors. Is this iridescent pink blue thing around his cheek? Very nice. Gonna let this go. Oh, okay, unhooked. Let's can take a look. Quick, ta-da!